Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol BCRX. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And in this situation, makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. That question revolves around the fact that today made a really nice move. I mean, when you consider where the price was to where it ultimately closed up there on the day, any rational person is going to say, yeah, this was definitely a nice move for the price. But that also leads to the very valid question of, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength, or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? I have no idea, but like I said, by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single area. And that area is right here at, what is that, $5.35. Why is $5.35 so important? Well, hopefully we can all agree on the logic that price movement with true power, with genuine strength, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, hey, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, if a price movement is truly strong, it's not going to go back to where it was. That would be a contradiction. Exactly. So with that in mind, think about 535. Any sort of closes below it, or worse yet, if the price separates to the downside, what would that be doing to the price? That would literally be putting the price right back inside of this range where it just broke out from. Again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Let's say a pretty drastic pullback shows up. Not saying this will happen, but just to illustrate the point here, let's say the price does something like that. So it has a very big drastic pullback, but what would you still have in that situation? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have this base of lows down there. If you picture each one of those as stair steps, well, even after the drastic pullback, you still have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do. It's going to make progress forward. And in this situation, I'm defining and quantifying the statement, make progress, as $5.35. As far as levels of resistance are concerned, I'm not even going to talk about those because, in my opinion, breaking levels of resistance at this moment in time is not a top priority. Top priority by far is going through healthy consolidation and building higher bases, because as long as those higher bases are being built over time, the long-term chart will take care of itself. So no doubt about it, very, very nice move today. We'll see if the bulls can now build upon this momentum or not. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.